is central to God's plan. It means to me that the family is important to God. Family is the basic unit of the church. We looked up some scriptures about the family, and one of them is in the Doctrine and Covenants. It said that it will be the same in heaven, but just with glory. In the Bible, if you do not provide for your family, you will be worse than infidel. In the Book of Mormon, we have to pray always for our family, so we will be blessed. My family is so important. We do not want to be hungry, naked, or we do not want to break the commandments, or we do not want to fight. Some things we do want to do is teach it's about choosing the right and love and serve each other. Something we do with our family is learn the 10 Commandments with our hands. My favorite one is number 2 because you get to do this. It means that you do not worship any other graven image. We do family trips with each other, and our last one was to Fort Lauderdale. We went to the Fort Lauderdale Temple. I liked it because it had a lot of mirrors and chandeliers. I love my family. It is important to me and God. In Jesus Christ, amen.